Chapter 11 Social Responsibilities. Deep sees many poor people thronging the streets outside a huge building. When he takes a nap during a break from personality grooming class on the second day, he asks Narad, "Where are we?"
We are in the 19th century and outside the missionaries of charity.
What is that?
That is where Mother Teresa and other nuns live and work.
What kind of work?
Mother Teresa comes out in the premises for her regular rounds. There was a little girl lying on the floor in grief with her parents standing beside her with folded hands. Mother Teresa lifted the girl on her lap and caressed her hair and asked her doctors to take care of her. She went along listening to everyone's problems in the crowd.
This is what I do, Deep. I love people and care for those in need of my love. This is broadly called social work. I take responsibility of my surroundings and if need be, I make efforts to correct them.
But there are government authorities to take care of people's needs. Why do you have to take pain?
This is not pain. This is called social responsibility. And I feel satisfied when I give service to needy and poor people.
What is social responsibility?
Behaving responsibly towards your immediate society is called social responsibility. Immediate society could include your friends and family, the place where you live, your city or residential complex. Everything falls under social responsibility scanner.
And what all includes in social responsibilities?
Oh, everything. Right from taking care of diseased and elderly people to cleaning your community area and planting trees falls under social responsibility. Basically, to take part in the development process of the society is what social responsibility means.
Nowadays, even large business houses render their responsibility towards society and nature from where they draw their raw material as corporate social responsibility.
Yes, even industries should play a role in the society's overall development. It is their obligation to take care of the environment, food and water needs of the people of the area where they have set up factories, because they deplete the natural resources of the concerned area.
But there are hospitals to treat patients, schools to teach children, government-funded schemes to earn livelihood. Then why do you think it's your duty to see all?
There are poorest of poor people who need medical help, food and water, source of livelihood. Like you can see this crowd in the charity health care clinic. All of them cannot go to big hospitals as they do not have money. And more than care, they need love. Only love can heal pain.
You do it for satisfaction. Fine. But then why do you think industries would fulfill CSR?
Different people have different understanding. So some fulfill services for the society to earn goodwill and reputation for their business. Some businesses do it to abide by the government regulations. And still there are some genuine business owners who do it just for satisfaction.
There are laws to safeguard people's interest from hazards happening due to big industries as well. If some business fails to achieve its CSR, then he comes under the purview of law.